Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 E-TRON Sportback. The Audi E-TRON Sportback provides plenty of efficiency that you'd expect from an electric vehicle, but continues to provide a fun and sporty ride. The E-TRON offers plenty of luxurious interior feel with all the latest technology. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.